What's up everybody, welcome to my channel, and today is the day where I'm going to be unwrapping my car, and I'm very excited to share this journey with you guys because I've been wanting to wrap the car in a different color for a very long time and I never got the chance to do so, but today is the day where I'm going to be doing that for sure. I'm gonna probably do like two parts, so one unwrapping the car and cleaning it and prepping it, and then the final one will be wrapping the car and take some photography photos, do cinematic video shoots, and yeah, I'm very excited to do this. So the condition of the wrap, basically the wrap is actually from Teckwrap. So I actually bought this 3 years ago, and it's been holding well so far, but right now, like the past 4 or 5 months, I haven't been noticing a lot of stuff going on, and there has been a lot of cracks on the wrap itself. So there's a lot of orange peel, also there's a lot of like sun fade on it as well, and the reason why is like this is because one, the wrap doesn't last that long, so it probably only lasts like a year or 2 years maximum. And the second is the weather conditions in Florida is really not that great. So there's a lot of rain, there's a lot of warm weather around here, and then it shifts back to like cold, and it shifts back to hot, and then also rain again. So all of this type of weather happens all at once sometimes, and stuff like this happens. I did put ceramic coat on it, but it didn't last long as well. So but yeah, I'm very excited. This wrap is kind of old, so I've been wanting to do something new, and yeah, today is the day to do that finally. So let's go ahead and do the unwrapping process. Alright everybody, so a quick update on the wrapping process, or should I say the unwrapping process. I am actually having a little bit of a hard time, but that's because the wrap, it's very thick and it actually has multiple layers. So when I'm removing the wrap itself, it's actually coming into like small pieces. So something like this, which is, this type of wrap is kind of cheap, I'm not gonna lie, so it's gonna give you guys a hard time or a long process to unwrap this type of wrap, but I thought I'd let you guys update it. This is how far or how much of wrap I removed. This took me like half an hour just for this. So the glue is very strong, to be honest with you. So I've been using like heat gun to like at least make the glue flexible, I guess. And then I've been using actually a vacuum just to remove like the small debris like this, because it comes like in very small pieces, which is kind of ridiculous. But this is like a close-up right here. So all of this, it just becomes like confetti, which is pretty insane. I'll go back again to unwrapping, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright everybody, so right now is day number 1. I'm having a lot of trouble with unwrapping this wrap right here. And the reason why is because this specific wrap is very sticky, and then also it's extremely cheap. Like cheap made pretty much. Basically what's happening right now is every time I remove the wrap itself, it will become like snowflakes or like some sort of like confetti. Like it's pretty ridiculous. So this is all of the actual color. I mean, this is kind of ridiculous. Like this is really cheap quality. Like I expect to like unwrap it like a piece of paper and then that's it, but this is taking me a while. So this is probably going to be a 2-day type of unwrap, I would say. And this is what I have done so far. So not too bad. I did all of the front, so the hood, the front bumper, the fenders, and then like the side pillars, I guess you can call it. So maybe tomorrow I'll finish the doors and the back bumper as well. And yeah, we'll see how that goes from there. So I'll keep you guys updated and we'll see how that goes. Alright everyone, here is a quick update
on the unwrapping process. I removed everything from like the front, hood, the bumper, fenders, the 2 doors in the front, and I finished the rear bumper. Now I'm gonna be doing this spoiler, some of the hatch, and a door right here and a door right there. And this is such a messy job. Like, I didn't expect this unwrapping process to be that long, but it's taken forever. And like, this is like a confetti. Like, check this out. Like, how is that even possible? Like, I don't understand this type of wrap. It's so annoying. So I gotta clean all of this, and I have so much glitter like everywhere, like the garage, the wheels, the car itself, the interior. So I don't like this type of wrap at all, and I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. So lesson learned. But yeah, let's keep going and we'll see how that goes.